In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram verification when it's not available. So if you're trying to get your account verified and it's not yet showing on your Instagram account, probably let's go and check on our settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and tap on settings and tap on your account. So once you're in there, tap on request verification. Make sure that you have requested verifying your account, and it still doesn't show you anything for how many months. Probably you have to check whether you have confirmed your authenticity, confirm your notability, and also you have provided the links that is account or that is connected with your other social media platforms or portfolios for them to see if you will be eligible for the badge. Now, if not, you can do this on your Instagram account and wait for them to check and to confirm whether you're eligible for the verification process. But if it's not yet working, you can go again back to your settings and click help and tap on the help center. This is for us to really see if we have met the requirements that is being asked by Instagram for our accounts to be verified. So in here, if you're already a Meta verified subscriber, you will receive a verified badge after successfully applying and completing the verification process. So this is a new thing on Instagram, that you have to be a Meta verified subscriber and you have to pay for that badge to appear on your Instagram account. And for us to do this, you can just tap on learn more about how to apply for a Meta verified. Now in here, this feature may not be available in your location at this time, but if you meet all of the eligibility requirements, then you can apply for a Meta verified. And you can see the information here that you must be 18 years old and you must have a public or a private profile associated with your full name, aligned with naming standards, and have a profile picture that includes yourself. So have two-factor authentication enabled, which may be completed after your payment. So you have to meet all their standards and requirements by the Meta verified checker. And you can also check here if your Meta verified is available to you, or if you want to join to the wait list. So just go and log into your Facebook and see it for yourself. So basically, this is the information right now. And if this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.